Folks, hello and welcome to Tavern Chat. I'm your host, Tenkar, your bartender in the OSR. This is, I don't know, an early bonus news breaking episode. Hasbro announced its two new leaders to complete executive team. And the Fonz that you see on screen, Fonzarelli with his collar up and white t shirt, he does kind of look like Henry Winkler as the Fonz, is John Haidt. John Haidt is going to be or is the president of Wizards of the Coast. So let's get a little history of Monsieur John Haidt. Hasbro Incorporated, a leading toy and game company, today announced the appointment of two leaders to its executive leadership team. John Haidt will join as president of Wizards of the Coast and Digital Gaming, and Holly Barbakovi will take the role of Chief People Officer. All right, well, not worried about that so much. John Haidt, a gaming industry titan, joins Hasbro as president of Wizards of the Coast and Digital Gaming. John previously served as senior vice president and general manager of, wait for it, the Warcraft franchise at Blizzard Entertainment, overseeing all development and commercial activities for World of Warcraft, Hearthstone, and Warcraft Rumble. During his 12-year tenure at Blizzard, John directed development efforts for multiple World of Warcraft expansions, Diablo 3 Reaper of Souls, and Diablo 3 on console. John's addition marks a significant step in Hasbro's strategic focus on, and I've been saying this forever, digital experiences and video games.
In-app purchases.
Yeah. As president, John's role will include oversight of Hasbro's network of gaming studios and digital licensing agreements. He will, as an aside, by the way, folks, also leads strategy for Magic the Gathering and Dungeons and Dragons, while driving continued global growth for the division and uncovering new storytelling, tabletop, and digital experiences. I admire John's career focus on fostering community. He is a true embodiment of our mission to bring people together through play, said Chris Cox. John's love of D&D and Magic the Gathering, combined with his leadership in video games, will be crucial as we expand our digital offerings to deliver what our fans crave. This, folks, if you haven't already come to this conclusion, is that the future of D&D, official D&D, Hasbro D&D, WotC D&D, is digital. It's digital. I don't know how one could see it otherwise. But hey, let me know in the comments below. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know your feedback. Maybe I am totally misguided. Maybe this guy is going to be, like Chris Cox, plays D&D twice a month using AI-generated adventures. Just saying, he sounds like another suit from a tech company like Amazon, like Microsoft, that's there to monetize the digital side and for Dungeons and Dragons, bring it kicking and screaming into the world of VTTs. Not a surprise, folks. Not a huge surprise. This is where WotC and Hasbro perceive the money to be. But maybe I'm wrong. Let me know. Folks, as always, be safe, be well, God bless, roll those dice, roll them well. Maybe another video later on today if I get some more news. If not, there's a live stream tomorrow night at 8 p.m. and another live stream on Saturday night at 8 p.m. Hope I will see you at both. All right, folks. God bless.